Maryam and Fatima on a trip.
Do you like our trip?
Yes, Maryam. I like it a lot. The place is beautiful. It is fun to travel together. Friend travel is best.
What was your favorite part so far?
I loved the hike with the trees and the river, and I liked when we took the train. That was new for me.
I liked the train too. It was smooth and fast. And I loved the picnic by the waterfall. That was amazing.
Yum! Eating sandwiches, fruits, and cookies outside. Yum!
They walk along a path.
Look, there is an old castle on the hill. Let's go see it. This feels like visiting an old place, like in a story.
Good idea. I want to explore. Maybe we can go inside and learn about old rooms and towers. It is like going back in time.
They arrive at the castle.
Excuse me, can you help us? Where is the entrance to the castle?
Hello. Go straight ahead, then take the stairs to the right. You will see the entrance on the left. Enjoy.
Thank you. We will go now.
Inside the castle.
Wow, the walls are so tall and strong. Can you imagine people living here a long time ago?
Shh, yes, this place is big. It feels quiet and cool. Let's go to the top tower to see the view.
Okay. Let's go up slowly.
They climb stairs and reach the top.
Look at the mountains and the town below. It is so green.
We can see people walking, cars, and fields far away. This view is wonderful.
I feel like we are in a fairy tale.
At the beach later.
Would you like to go to the beach now? I heard there is a nice beach nearby.
Yes, I would love that. Let's go.
We can take a bus or a taxi. Bus is cheaper and normal for travel. Taxi is faster but more expensive.
Let's take the bus. It will be fun. We can see more on the road.
They ride the bus and arrive at the beach.
Here we are. The sand is soft and the water is blue.
Let's swim. Do you want to swim?
Yes, very much. Let's go slowly into the water. We will watch for waves and be safe.
Okay, we can laugh and play. This is our adventure.
At the beach cafe.
I'm hungry. Do you want ice cream or a drink?
Yes, please. A drink first, then ice cream.
I would like lemonade. It's cold and sweet.
I want orange juice. Then chocolate ice cream.
Excuse me, may I have one lemonade and one orange juice, please?
May I have one chocolate ice cream too, please?
They enjoy their snack.
The ice cream is so good. I'm happy.
Me too. This trip is the best ever.
I like traveling with you, Maryam.
Thank you for this day. It is very fun. Use polite words always.
End of day by a campfire. They sit by a small campfire.
I am sleepy now. I will go to bed soon.
Yes, me too. I am happy today.
Good night, Maryam. Sleep well.
Good night, Fatima. Sweet dreams. Hey friends. If you enjoyed Maryam and Fatima's trip, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.